Amazing JoeJoe here, and today we're going to make a level 5 vegan chicken noodle soup. We're going to only use 3 ingredients, 4 if you count the water. We're going to use about 2 cups. Make sure you use accurate measuring cups or you get it wrong. We don't want that. That's about right. Now then, and then we're going to add our noodles. I'm using some rice noodles. You can use any kind of noodles that you want. We will need 1 tablespoon of this Better Than Bouillon. This is indeed Better Than Bouillon. It is certified vegan. It's a full shot of garden vegetables, tomato, garlic, onion, read the label, parsley. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of this, approximately. And now for the level 5 vegan chicken noodle soup, we will be using mushrooms for the chicken. Mushrooms taste a lot like chicken. In fact, there's a certain strand of mushroom called the chicken of the woods, the hen of the woods. It's popular along the Appalachian Trail because hikers can find it growing on trees. And it's like finding chicken. You can't carry a chicken in your pack, but if you find it on a tree, it's great. You can pretty much use any mushroom you want in portobello. Now some vegans will not eat mushrooms because they are not plants. Other vegans will eat mushrooms because they are not animals. What are they? Mushrooms are a fungus, an organism that gets its energy from decaying organic material. If they're growing on a tree, they're considered a parasite. They are the most inexpensive meat replacer that I can find in the grocery store. If that's, if you're trying to go vegan, this is very affordable. These I bought on sale. They were in the reduced produce section because they hadn't been sold and they weren't going to get sold, so they reduced the price. Now, how many do you put in? Well, that really just depends on you. There is no recipe. How many mushrooms do you want in your soup? How much noodles? It's all up to you. There's no recipe here. So we're going to cover this up and heat that up and talk about what's a level 5 vegan. Level 5 vegan is a term that comes from The Simpsons, where Boy explains to Lisa he's a level 5 vegan. He doesn't eat anything that casts a shadow. So in vegan culture, that's like a diet that can't be achieved, although I have discovered that mushrooms grow in the dark, thus they do not cast a shadow, hence the expression level 5 vegan chicken noodle soup. And that has come to a boil, so we're going to unplug that, let it simmer till the noodles are about done. You pull one out and taste it. If you need to, you can plug it back in and get it back up, the heat back up, and unplug it. It depends on how thick your noodles are, really. It just depends on the noodles and I guess your atmosphere, I don't know, elevation, whatever. It's never the same twice. So you might be wondering, can you add, say, celery or carrots to this? Absolutely. That would make it even healthier. It's already in the Better Than Bouillon. It's got a full dose of garden vegetables. It's got celery, carrot, onion, garlic, tomato, potato. So this is not food, this is medicine. The balanced diet on the back of the boxes and the labels of the foods is a lie. It stipulates you can eat unhealthy food like meats and dairy because you're going to balance it with healthy food like fruits and vegetables. It does not work. If it worked, there would be virtually no doctors or hospitals, but the truth is disease flourishes when people eat unhealthy food. If you want to be healthy, eat healthy food and you will be healthy. That's why I say this is not food, this is medicine. This will heal disease. And there we have it. Quick, fast, easy. So there you have it. Quick, fast, easy. Only 3 ingredients. Vegan. There's no growth hormone, steroids, or antibiotics in it. And the mushrooms really do a great job at replacing the chicken. The most inexpensive meat replacer I know of. Highly recommended. Amazing JoeJoe. Thanks for watching.
When JoeJoe